Welcome to Basket of Tales, a time travel into the world of stories.
Hello friends, welcome to the story time. This is Miss V from Basket of Tales. I am so excited to share another story riddle from the tales of Vikram and Betal. This is the story about the king and the thief. Vikram tries again to catch Betal. After several attempts, he succeeded and carried him on his shoulders. To pass the time, Betal starts narrating another story but warns him not to speak anything, else he will go back to his place again. He begins narrating a story about the king of Ayodhya, Veeraketu. Lots of robberies were happening in his kingdom, but they were unable to catch the thief. Many businessmen suffer losses because of this, and they inform the king that they might move to another kingdom as they cannot bear any more losses. King felt really bad to hear this and decided that he himself will catch the thief. One day, the beautiful daughter of a businessman went to a temple to have mangoes from the trees. The thief who was staying there in the temple saw her and was attracted by her beauty. He helped her in getting mangoes from the trees using his skills. The girl was impressed by him and requested him to train her as well. They decided to meet daily in the temple for training. At night, the king disguised as a thief and was roaming on the streets when he saw another thief. They partnered in the crime and decided to rob the businessman's house. They stole stuff from his house and the thief took the king to his place. There, the king attacked the thief and arrested him. On the other hand, the girl was going to meet the thief in the temple. Before she started, she heard that the thief was arrested. She was shocked to hear that the same man was arrested whom she was going to meet in the temple. Immediately, she told her father that she liked him. Father tried to convince her, but she did not listen to him. King sentenced the thief to death. At the same time, the businessman came with his daughter and requested the king to forgive the thief as his daughter liked him. King declines the request. The daughter then says that in that case, she should be allowed to marry him so that she can live the rest of her life as a widow. Listening to this, the thief first laughs and then cries. King had a thought and forgives the thief as the girl likes him and appoints the thief as his commander in army. Both got married and lived happily ever after. Now, Betal asks Vikram to tell him why the thief laughed and cried in the court. Vikram replies that he laughed at his destiny that he was a thief and still a beautiful girl loved him. He cried on seeing the girl's true love for him. Betal was very happy to hear this, but as Vikram broke the promise and spoke, Betal once again flew away. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story. So let's see what happens in our next story. Stay tuned and see you all soon.